I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to Complete Trader Academy's Daily Review. Today is May 16, Tuesday, 2023. So let's hop right into it here. So pretty much did what I thought it would do, but a couple of variations here. The price opened up and pretty much sank since then. Didn't really come back up. I thought it might come up here, but when I woke up, it was Asia and London had already shown its hand, and they were going to come take out this low. Coming down this far today, I did not expect that. I thought I would have saved that for later in the week, but they got close. Got into this wick here on a smaller time frame and bought up a little bit. So this is where we're at. And keep in mind here that this day, when we open up, we're in this gap. So that's another factor that I don't think I mentioned it yesterday, but sometimes it's hard to mention everything. Let's go straight to a 4 hour real quick. And not that helpful, but you could see that, well, let me see if I can kind of make this bigger. This red line, this red box here is the opening gap. So as you see bodies respecting, never going above. And that's another red flag as well. Let me go to a 1 hour. And let's see what we can see here. So right away, gapped, body stayed, Asia bringing it down, and then London brought it back up. Okay, right there. And bodies never protruded. Look at that, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Here's 6 o'clock in the morning, coming down, took out that low. You're looking for some type of retracement. You got an imbalance of price right there. So this is how I also framed the trade of the sell, but same color, damn. So we framed the day in the course today with a buy, a sell, and a buy. So take a look here. I knew I had a short day, so wasn't going to stay in too long. But you see with that imbalance there, that the price is poking in it. See that right there with this candle? And then again, one more time here. That was to frame the sell to take it to this low. All right, so let's go into a 5 real quick. And you'll see here that same flow I was telling you about. Look at the body respecting that open price right there. Comes down, takes out liquidity, retraces back up. This is the 8:30 news right here. So this popped up to take out that high. It came down to take out those lows. All right. I'm not doing anything yet. I'm waiting till after 9:30. Price comes down, and I need to show a smaller time frame. But price retraces, comes back down again. Right there is my signal to buy. Where am I going to take it? If they're going to come down and sell, then I know they want to take out liquidity on the top side. So price rushes up, comes right into that candle, takes out the liquidity there, and then you'll see that I had to use a 10-second to catch this. And let me go into a 1 minute first. I don't want to make this video too long. But you'll see here that was a target, which was the liquidity right there. All this liquidity right there. See that? Price, then we buy from here. Once it broke that low there, price shoots up, immediately gets back into that imbalance. That's what this line is. I'm sorry, this baby blue box. Taps that. I knew I'm looking for a sell. So caught the buy there. I gotta go into a 10-second. So just so I can be clear. And you'll see here order flow as I usually show. All right, so when the price comes down, boom, we immediately take out that liquidity and we wait for a break up, which is right here. Break up, comes retraces where? Right back into that last down candle, 10-second chart though. Could have been a buyer there as well. Price shoots up, hits that imbalance. You see that right, real clear. Then you're waiting for order flow down. All right, well, this was a little tricky, and I was on the conservative side. I could have took a sell when it came back into this block here, but I didn't like that. So then I got a price back down with an imbalance. Look at that, what I show every day. Price pokes right in. I got a limit order right there. Pokes right in. Stop loss is above 50% of this candle. I didn't need to go that high, because if it goes that high, I'm definitely in a wrong trade. But stop loss would have been okay if I just put it right there, to be honest. But just in case I needed some room. Anyways, that was the sell there. Took it all the way down. It's all pretty much happened fast. Hard to relay information when it's live happening. And then, so that was the sell. Let me go back to a 1 minute. All right. So where are we taking that sell? We're taking it to that liquidity. Once it reached down and started coming back up, I was out. Because it's a nimble day for me. I know what kind of week it's going to be. We've already been consolidating, and Fed's going to talk on Friday. So anyways, decided to try to catch this buy. And you can see this on a 10-second. I'm not going to go there. But I tried to catch the buy up to this high right here. This was my intention, to take out liquidity and get into this imbalance. Fell short of it. So when we bought from here, because it took liquidity, came up, all right, I had nice profit there, but I was just married to getting this. Came back down again. Still held my position. And then when it came up like this and wicked, I took 80%, because it could be a big bearish day. We still have liquidity on the bottom side, and I'm not trying to sit through it anymore, to be honest. I had things to do. I wasn't trading after lunch anyway. So that kind of took out 80%, came against me here, and it was already in break even. So just because you see this doesn't mean I had to lose money. It was in break even once it came right back. Sure enough, we broke structure here. All right, came down again, and then retraced. If I was in the market, I would have sold at this block right here. Would have took a sell. You can follow order flow here, as what we teach every day. Very clear options of where to take these trades. Sure enough, sank down, gap down, and let me go to a 4-hour real quick. We took out this low right here. So rushed for that low right there, and then did not take out this low. If I go to, can I do this here for a 5 minute? You'll be able to see that we got right into this area here as a demand area, and it bought up. So long story short, this is how this bought up. But long story short, what's going to happen now? Well, the thing is, this now can get a little tricky, only because we do have that daily low sitting there. I'm expecting that the new opening day is going to kind of like gap down or rush down for this. And, who knows? I mean, does it come to this here, to this daily, Asia and London? Do they come and bring the price down? I don't know. Is this a first target here? This for sure by when we open up? Possibly. We do have a price imbalance right in here, so we're expecting a retrace. But notice these lower highs are all protected. They have been protected, and we didn't come up and take any of them out. So, not a good sign, meaning that we can still see movement on the upside. So, and I've already got my levels for the downside. Don't need to show that. As far as the top side goes, I'm even going to just draw this line right here. Put that out. So I'm going to delete this. We took care of that. And as of right now, when we retrace up, this would be a next target right there. Got an imbalance on that 4-hour plus that candle itself. And that's a good place for us to go back up. So go to a 1 hour real quick. You can see We got some liquidity there with this support resistance level idea. And some will say this was a support resistance level here. It's kind of really the reason why it dropped as well. But we'll see. It should get interesting because ES came down, NAS kept going up. So a lot of liquidity up here that has not been touched. And once we reach this target, I mean, I could see it. I could see it shooting up. So this could be just a profile for this week where we inch our way down, and then Friday they just kind of rip it back up to take out all the sellers. All right. Hope this helps. Until next time, take care. God bless.